Welcome, everyone! Let's have some fun learning new words together. Are you ready? Let's get started. CR is for crab.
Crab.
Repeat after me. Crab.
Crab.
CR is for cradle.
Cradle.
Come on, let's say it together. Cradle.
Cradle.
CR is for craft.
Craft.
Can you say it with me? Craft.
Craft.
CR is for crayon.
Crayon.
Great job! Let's say it one more time together. Crayon.
Crayon.
CR is for cream.
Cream.
Repeat after me. Cream.
Cream.
CR is for cricket.
Cricket.
Let's say it together. Cricket.
Cricket.
CR is for crown.
Crown.
Can you say it with me? Crown.
Crown.
CR is for crust.
Crust.
Repeat after me. Crust.
Crust.
CR is for crystal.
Crystal.
Great job! Let's say it one more time together. Crystal.
Crystal.
CR is for crack.
Crack.
Can you say it with me? Crack.
Crack.
CR is for crew.
Crew.
Repeat after me. Crew.
Crew.
CR is for crib.
Crib.
Let's say it together. Crib.
Crib.
CR is for crescent.
Crescent.
Can you say it with me? Crescent.
Crescent.
Great job today! You're learning so fast. Let's take a moment to repeat and reinforce today's vocabulary. What is this? Crab.
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 What's this called? Cradle.
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 Do you know what this is?
Craft.
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 Can you say what this is? Crayon.
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 What is this?
Cream.
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 Can you say what this is? Cricket.
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 What's this called? Do you remember? Crown.
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 What's this?
Crust.
Crust. Crust. What's it called? Crystal.
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 What's this? Crack.
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 Can you say them? Crew.
Crew. Crew.
What's this called? Do you remember? Crib.
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 Do you know what this is? Crescent.
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 Fantastic work! You're getting better every day. Thanks for learning with us today. See you in the next video.